How to fix you edited your profile too many times on TikTok. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this very problem of yours using your TikTok and you want to change your profile many times and it shows that you have changed your profile many times. Then how you can solve this very problem of yours. So if this problem is happening on your, then you can simply first remember to install and update the latest version of TikTok because this might sometimes be the problem. If this is not the problem, then you can simply head into the very three vertical lines on the top right side, tap on the very settings and privacy option, scroll till down, and then you can see the very option of free up space right here. Under the cache and cellular option, you will see the free up space. Now what you need to do is tap on the very clear cache option and also tap on the very clear downloads option. When you do that, you have freed up some space on your TikTok, and now when you try to edit your profile picture on the TikTok, it won't be shown again. But if it shows again, then you can simply go to the help center or report a problem of TikTok, and when you report a problem, TikTok will suggest you with a feedback after few hours to few days, and that might solve a problem. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.